welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to be dyeing my eyebrows. I've reached that point in quarantine where I want to either cut my hair, dye my hair, or just do some kind of change. So thanks to TikTok, I got the idea to just dye my eyebrows with mustache and beard just for men. I've seen quite a bit of TikToks of girls doing this and it always turns out so good. Of course, it's been a while since I've seen those TikToks, so I'm not really sure how this is going to go, but I think this fades pretty quickly, so if it does look super bad, then it'll go away pretty quickly. Right now, you can't really tell, but I have really light eyebrows and I've always thought about getting them, what is it called, microbladed. My mom has hers microbladed where it's like tattooed on, and I've thought about doing that, but that's like $400. So why not try this $10 dye? I've also thought about anytime I dye my hair to just take that dye and do my eyebrows, but that's always scared me. So this comes with an easy brush, just this brush right here, and that's all I'm going to use. I have my little eyebrow pencil that I normally use to color in my brow, and I'm just gonna spoolie them out and then use that brush. I know in some TikToks I've seen girls actually use like an angled brush, and honestly I'm just too lazy to find one, so we're just gonna use what it comes with. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, if you aren't already, be sure you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so let's see how this goes. The directions for this say you just have to brush it in, leave for 5 minutes, and then shampoo out. This is the brush. That's right there. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, oh yeah, that. Maybe I should get an angled brush. It comes with this little tray, which is nice. And then I'm thinking maybe these are gloves, and then the 2 dyes, and then also directions. And I got the shade medium brown, so that's what it's gonna look like. Hopefully it's just a little darker than my brows. These are the directions, and step 1 says, wearing the gloves, squeeze a line from the color base tube into the mixing tray on one side of the raised line. It comes with a color base and a color developer. So it says to take the color base, squirt it in one line, and then squeeze an equal amount of color developer into the mixing tray on the other side. Step 2. For best results, mix product with the plastic end of the brush until blended. Do not mix with the bristle end, as unmixed product may get stuck in the bristles. I should have done those closer together. Like, that's gonna be hard to mix together. I guess I'll just push them towards each other. Is that easier to see? It doesn't blend very well. Okay, so using this low-key freaked me out because that's just gonna be a big mess. So I decided to get an angle brush. This is usually what I use for my eyeliner. Hopefully this works. I have a mirror right here, and I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I wanna put y'all to where you're gonna be able to see me. Ignore any mess you see behind me. But, okay, should I have trimmed my brows first? I think I need to trim my brows first. Quick little tangent. The way I always do my brows, I obviously haven't done them in a while, is I have to take these little tiny scissors and kind of cut the shape that I want of my eyebrow, because I have such sensitive skin that I can't get them waxed, and I've never tried getting them threaded. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows. Fun fact, I just spoolie them and then take this little, I want to say they're cuticle scissors, I don't even know, and just cut the shape I desire. beautiful. I don't have the best eyebrow shape to begin with, but before and after. Now, time for the fun part. I'm just going to dip it in just a little bit, and I think I'll do like a little at a time and then probably add more as I go, but I want to make sure y'all are able to see me. There's this one. I tried applying kind of a decent amount on there, but I don't have very thick brows, so let's see if it even sticks to my hair to begin with. Now let's go on to the second one. Okay, looking crazy, but I'm just going to take a wet Q-tip and clean it up just a little bit. All right, and then I will see you in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later, I'm going to wash these off. I think I'm just going to take a washcloth and some water first and then go over it, and then maybe take some face wash and wash it off that way. Okay, that's with me like scrubbing with the washcloth, so maybe a little more will come off when I use like soap. This is what the other one looks like. Now I'm going to try to wash them with some face wash and see if it gets any lighter. And this is what it looks like when I used soap. Definitely could be a little lighter, I feel like, and it would probably look a lot better if I had makeup on and not just like a bare face. But yeah, this one, I like the shape of this one better. I do feel like this is a little more darker than this one, but updates to come on how fast it fades. But I guess I'm not like too mad about it. It could have been a whole lot worse. I don't want to put any makeup on right now, but in a couple days I know I'm gonna put makeup on, so I'll have to wait till then to see how it looks, but it's not too terrible. Okay, the more I look at it, the more this one is kind of freaking me out, so just look at this one, okay? But yeah, this video was kind of different for me. I don't think I've ever really done like a me dyeing something video. So if you did enjoy it, please be sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so thanks for watching.